Good day, everyone, and welcome to today's special interview session. I'm excited because we have an amazing guest with us.
Welcome to the Inspiration Guide series. Thank you. I'm excited to learn from you.
We'll share stories to inspire everyone. Someone who is making real impact in the creative and digital education space. Please welcome ADEMOLA AKINBOYE, popularly known as Oracle OG. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here. I really appreciate the invitation. The honor is ours. We're glad to have you. My name is ADEMOLA AKINBOYE, widely known as Oracle OG. I'm a writer, content creator, teacher, and online tutor. That's powerful. You're here today to showcase your work and teach people how to use AI to design anything. My work is about breaking it down step by step so people can confidently use AI as a creative partner. I focus on helping people unlock their potential through knowledge, especially using modern tools like artificial intelligence to create, design, and communicate ideas effectively. Can you explain what that really means?
Certainly, it means finding purpose in everyday struggles.
Absolutely. Many people think, but design is only for professionals, but AI has changed that. With the right guidance, anyone can use AI tools to design graphics, write content, create videos, build presentations, even develop brand identities. For confirmation of what I'm saying, this is the part of the proof.
Welcome to AI Generation Century.
AI Generation Century.
Content creation,
Automation and productivity, all for free. Subscribe now.
How to generate prompts for AI images, AI tools and technology insights. Learn how AI is shaping the future. Turn ordinary photos into talking, moving, cinematic animations.
Learn how to generate powerful prompts for AI images. Write effective prompts to recreate, improve, or modify AI images. How to animate your pictures using AI. How to generate prompts for AI images. AI tools and smart technology insights. Discover free AI tools for image generation and video animation. We'll show you how to create stunning content with AI. Plus, we'll cover automation and productivity tools. Join AI Generation Century for free. Contact, WhatsApp, and call only. The numbers are +234 704 491 6736, +234 816 270 0965.
The Wedding Deal and the Lambo Dream.
This wedding must
Subscribe.
happen. The money has entered already.
I don't care who the bride is as long as I drive that Lambo to the venue. If your brother is truly rich, bride price cannot be small.
Uncle, don't push your luck. Just smile, collect the money, and disappear.
What if he finds out?
Once the wedding trends online, everybody gets paid. God supports urgency.
God supports silence.
Let Lagos see success.
This thing is not clean.
Clean doesn't pay rent.
I'm not a product.
Half payment or no chairs. No, listen, half now or no chairs. Simple.
No, we are not going to do it.
Yes, we will do it. This is a shouting man.
I told you this would happen.
It's your fault.
Why does she avoid eye contact?
I have to keep moving.
You owe us a performance. All right, ma. This order is unacceptable. It is tradition. You must follow it. But it clashes with everything. This will ruin the ceremony. We have to fix this. The rehearsal is set. We must stick to the plan. But the colors clash. We need to change the fabric. No, we can't change everything else.
My silence cost extra.
She's not even the real bride. Let's dance.
I was hired.
Finish the wedding.
I hope everybody is settled.
I'm done. Thank you, Lagos.
In the end, everyone got paid except love.
I see. That's compelling evidence.
Exactly. It backs up everything.
Interesting. So even beginners can get started?
Absolutely. It's designed for everyone, even total beginners. Yes, 100%. You don't need prior design experience. What you need is clarity, knowing what you want to create and understanding how to communicate that idea to AI.
That's impressive. Where do you share these teachings?
We share them online via social media, websites, and apps to reach people everywhere. I run a YouTube channel called the Inspiration Guide series, where I teach, inspire, and guide people on creativity, AI usage, and personal development. I'm also active on TikTok. My handle is at OracleOG_Media TV, where I share short, practical tips and demonstrations.
What impact do you hope this knowledge will have on people?
My hope is that it empowers and inspires them to make positive changes. My goal is empowerment. I want people to stop feeling limited, financially, creatively, or professionally. With AI, a student, entrepreneur, creator, or business owner can design ideas that once required big teams or expensive tools. Knowledge removes fear, and AI multiplies ability.
That's a powerful insight.
Finally, what advice would you have to someone who wants to start using AI for design today?
Start small, stay curious, and practice consistently. Don't be afraid to experiment or make mistakes. AI is a tool. It becomes powerful when you learn how to guide it. And most importantly, use it to add value, not just to impress.
Wise words. Thank you so much, Ademola Akimboye, Oracle OG, for sharing your insights with us today.
Lastly, everyone should go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Inspiration Guide series, and also check the bio section to join the WhatsApp group and channel to learn more. Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure.